Hi guys, we're filming a documentary. It's about Tutupele. Oh, okay. This is a educational documentary. We're here today at Kilauea Volcano's National Park. The volcano has erupted 2 days ago and we have seen an influx of visitors in the island. Tonight it's very busy. You see cars coming in and out. Right now we're capturing the height of the visit. Let me pass it on to Lester to take over the interview, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you.
I just want to show how well dressed I am. Well dressed.
Very appropriately dressed. We're giving California vibes.
You're giving Colorado.
You're giving Colorado vibes.
With the tripod. Oh dude, look at that glow. Oh dude, you can see like a little bit of it coming up. Oh right there, look.
Look at it. Oh, it's cold.
Oh my god.
Why is it so cold?
Yes,
Are you scared?
No, because you're fucking yellow in my ear.
I'm trying to get a really good shot for you guys. Alright guys, we had no luck with getting a good view here, so we're gonna move on to the next spot. Everything. Dude, I want to record a music video with just an iPhone.
I have my two companions here. I'm in the back like a third wheel. Bitch!
Zelly is about to take a dookie, and Monang is also gonna take a dookie.
Hold this shit! Parking lot with the porta potties.
Dude,
With the wind
the hole,
blowing the stink.
I was looking in the hole, I was hanging up. No, that was kind of scary, just staring into the black hole.
At least you didn't have to put your butt on it.
Dude, imagine if you just hear something crawling up. Oh dude, this is a lot better view, I think.
A good amount of time in there.
Oh look, Jesus is in the frame.
Yeah. Am I in the frame?
It's time for the best song ever.
So that was amazing view. That was so beautiful.
It really was.
It really was.